Hi! Haven't talked to you guys in forever. I think it's been like two months? It's been a very long time. I've been very busy. Not really. There's been a lot of things going on in my life, which I'm gonna talk about in this video today. This is probably gonna be my last new products get ready with me, but I don't think I'm using new products. Give me 1 second. All right, I don't even know what this video is about. So my hair's driving me crazy because I should probably just put it up at this point. But if you guys would like to see my skincare routine, I actually just filmed that. So I'm gonna post that in a second. But if not, you can skip forward. I'll put the timestamps in there. But yeah, if you guys just want to see what's been going on in my life, I'm going to do like a Khloe Kardashian inspired makeup look. I know, right? Crazy. So yeah, if you want to keep on, if you want to see, what am I even saying? But yeah, just keep on watching. So I put some self tanner on. I use the Saint-Tropez gradual tanner actually, and that one I feel like I've never used their gradual tanners ever, and I feel like out of other ones I've used before, this one kind of kicks in right away, and I already feel like it's starting to, like my neck never picks up the tan, so I might have to, maybe I'll throw some more on and show you guys. All right, this is the one that I've been using. Ew. I really like this stuff. It smells nice. The watermelon goes away and it smells like regular tan after that, so whatever. I already did my brows, clearly, you see that. I am now going to prime my lids. If I can find the picture of Khloe. Basically, I want to do like a bright inner corner, colorful color. So she did like a yellow, so I'm gonna do a yellow inner corner basically, and just show you how easy it really is to do. I'm gonna use this Anastasia eye primer. Oof. Because it's kind of brightening a little bit, and that's what I really want the yellow to pop. And remember, a little bit goes a long way with this. So yeah, I have a lot to catch you guys up on. I don't think I've filmed since, was it late August? I don't really remember. The real reason why I wasn't filming was because I needed to focus on a lot of other things. There's a lot happening. One, I've been starting to see venues for my wedding. The other big thing, I'm not gonna go into like huge details, but I actually got a new job. And I know like a lot of people are probably a little surprised by that because, you know, I love makeup a lot, and I was working at Sephora, as some of you know, and I realized, and I've known this for a while now, that I was over retail and that kind of job where it's like very weekend demanding and demanding in general, I guess, holiday demanding. Like, it was just over for me. And I started to realize I was falling into similar patterns as McDonald's, and that's not good. So I was kind of just like realizing, like, you know, I'm not happy anymore. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of working all weekend. And so I got an office job and I've been training for a few weeks now, so I don't really like know much about the job yet, but I really do like it so far, and I really do love my new schedule because now I'm off at 6 every day, Monday through Friday, and I have a life on the weekend and I can actually see my family. So that was big to me. No bad blood with Sephora, of course. Like, that's not how I wanted it to go, but I realized that I wasn't satisfied anymore, and you know, I think it was contributing to a lot of my mental state. I was kind of fell out of it. Like, I felt so happy for so long, and then all of a sudden I started to not feel so great anymore, and I was like, well, I think it's time to maybe get a new job and try that out. And so far so good. So I don't have any new eyeshadow palettes to use. I mean, I'm using one that I haven't used on this channel before, but I need like a cool tone. Yeah, I kind of liked how it worked. So I'm actually going to use the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia. I know it's another Anastasia palette I'm using, but I'm gonna actually use taupe. And I'm just gonna go in my crease and just kind of go in my crease. So my lids have been very, very, very dry and like chappy feeling. They've been itchy, I think, from being dry. So hopefully this doesn't affect too much. I'm not using the yellow in this actually, because I think the one in the Violet Voss palette is a little bit brighter, but I want to go in with that headliner shade there, which is the white, because I want to really brighten up the inner corner. I'm gonna be honest, it's probably a lot easier to do this makeup look after you've done your complexion, but because I don't like to do my complexion first, I'm gonna have to do it this way. All right, so that's exactly where I'm gonna lay the yellow down. But I actually really like this color because I don't use a lot of palette. I don't use a lot of crazy colors in general, so it's nice that this is so tiny, but I'm definitely going in with that yellow. No, this is gonna look really crazy before I actually get it together, but I'm going pretty far in. And then I'm just taking that same brush as I used before just to kind of... Alright, so in the meantime, I'm going to throw on some of my favorite primer. I'm not using anything else. It doesn't break me out. I'm using a new eyeliner, the new one from Anastasia. I usually like pens, so we'll see how this one works. It's like one of those dippy ones. I'm scared. This looks like it's going to be really thick. So we'll see. I feel like people really like this one. And you know, I'm like queen of wing liners, so we'll see if I like it. Oh, I like how stiff it is. This is interesting. Oh my God. Oh. So I don't really do wings a lot anymore because of my new job, and these look like so bad. I don't even know how to turn back. Like, I would have to start all over. The eyeliner sucked. I hated it. It's the reason why my eyes look like the way they do. I'll show you how you can do a swatch or how to color match yourself real quick. Trying 3 new foundations that I've never tried before. And now we wait a minute to let them dry down a little bit more. Like, I don't remember the last time I was this pissed during a video. No words can describe my emotions right now. I wiped off my eyes, I redid it, and my wings are still like f***ed up, and I just don't care. Like, I'm done. I'm not doing that again. And then my light, because I don't have a big enough room to actually film, my side lights that I have now keep falling over onto the floor. I'm pretty sure I just broke it. See why I haven't filmed in so long, and this happens. My hair just looks like it got real greasy. Probably because I was sweating. Oh my god. Thanks to this eyeliner. So I think this is the first for myself to not like something from Anastasia. That was horrendous. I shade matched myself to this one. It might be a little dark because I don't care. Like, I frankly don't care. I don't care about anything anymore. Like, I'm done. I swear to God, if it says fragrance in it, I'm not gonna be happy. I'm already not happy. I'm having a temper tantrum. This is probably the worst video I've ever filmed. Like, I've been so boring up until this point. I mean, I think I still am being boring. And I'm going out drinking, like that's dangerous. The new Sephora app sucks. I can't tell. I might just be smelling the dimethicone. I kind of want to cry. I mean, on camera, it really doesn't look that bad. But I see in person, it is not a match. We're just gonna mix foundations today and just hope for the best. This is completely covering what I just did. Like, I don't even know what's happening. I think I put too much. So I'm gonna go with my beauty blender now. I haven't done matte foundations lately, and this one is extra matte. You know what's been really frustrating me lately? I've talked about this in another video before, but I just want to mention it again. People are so stupid on social media. I can't even like grasp it. I've been just watching like people post the dumbest things to what I've been seeing a lot is the Instagram stories. I just have zero words because I know for a fact that a lot of jobs look at your social media pages. If you don't have your private, you never know who's actually looking at your Instagram page. Now, let alone your stories, you'll know because it obviously tells you who views your stories. You never know who's watching, who's using like a fake account. You just never know. What I've been seeing a lot, and this is like a bunch of people what I've been seeing, is people talking about how much they hate their job or how they're gonna call out the next day. Or all I know is I remember if I saw that when I was working at McDonald's, I would be ready to write that person up. Like, I'm about to just call out for no reason, whatever. Like, what is that? So I'm doing the Jackie Anna trick. I'm just letting my concealer kind of bake in. Hi guys, editing Lauren here. So this video has been taking me over a month to edit, and it's driving me crazy because I already have an attitude in the video. This video has caused so many more aggravations. So basically, I keep on losing clips from my video. Like, it just keeps disappearing. I keep trying to upload it again and over again. It's just not working. I don't know what's wrong with it. So there's gonna be about 15 minutes missing from this. And basically all I do is my powder, and I believe I do my contour. So my apologies. Love you. I don't think she did it like around the eye like this, where it's like kind of everywhere. I can't wait to have my hair back up. I'm putting it in a pony. I can't do it anymore. So I'm taking Morphe's highlighter in Extra. I love highlighting my pimples. Like, it's such a cute look. So I'm gonna highlight to death because my skin is so dry looking right now. This looks crazy. I'm gonna put that away now. I'm going with my normal Tarte blush. And I haven't really been saying the products I've been using, honestly. I don't know why I'm like starting to say it now. I just like have forgotten how to completely make these kind of videos. So this part I never really show too much on camera. I'm basically just taking a clean brush and kind of going around basically my whole face, kind of to smooth out any harsh lines I may have for my contour. Also, don't ask why I'm randomly doing a voiceover, which is something I've never done ever. I'm just trying everything out in this video. I actually didn't feel like typing all of this out, so yeah. Hee. Look how yellow my brush is from this. I am trying a new mascara today, not this one, of course. See, what I was gonna do earlier, if my wings were still like 6 inches thick, I was gonna try to put lashes on, but I knew that was gonna actually frustrate me even more. So I'm gonna try this new It Cosmetics Blowout Lash Blowout. It's a collab with Dry Bar, which is a hair care brand. Not really sure why It Cosmetics and a hair care brand joined forces to collab, because that's actually the dumbest thing I've ever heard. But we will see if this is actually good, so. I want you to really, really zoom in, because I'm not really sure. I feel like there's so much yellow on my lashes that I have to like, this thing can't even stand up straight. That's actually the worst. The worst. Have you seen Bretman Rock doing the videos where he zooms in on Instagram and he tries something new, like a new mascara? Like, I love those. He's done doing the mascara of the day though. That's actually not that bad. I don't know if it's because my lashes are long right now because I use a lash enhancer. And don't sleep on those, guys. Like, do your research. Like, I think, what was that brand? There was a lash serum that came out years ago that was apparently the side effect was to change your eye color. But I actually really like the Grande Lash one. That one doesn't have any side effects. My right side looks better. I do like it. My favorite is still the NARS Climax mascara, and I sadly ran out of that. The worst mascara I've used recently is this one from Tom Ford, which is probably like $500 anyway. And as usual, I go in with the same mascara on my bottom, the Roller Lash. The reason why I like it is because of the brush. I like a small brush on my bottom lash line. Oh, I forgot to set my face first. I always set my face first so I don't like smudge my mascara. So I bought that new 5-pack from Anastasia for lips, and it's like their holiday, and I actually really like the colors. So I'm gonna start out with the On Mute one, which looks like this. Come on, you see it? Whatever. I think one day when I'm not so broke, I'm gonna get my lips done. This is nice. Oh my God, this is the best I've ever overdrawn my lips. All right, give me a second. I got a spritz. All right, guys. So I'm sorry if this video was a little boring. I mean, it was a disaster. Probably the worst video I've ever filmed. I'm just not fully together mentally. I'm getting there. But that's my bad. I let myself get on my nerves. I actually really like the way that this turned out. I mean, the lip looks really good, and I think that really pulled everything together. My complexion isn't actually that bad, so hopefully as the night goes on and my natural oils start to seep through my skin, everything will look a lot better. But yeah, if you guys like this look, definitely recreate it. I mean, like I said, I saw Khloe had done the full like inner corner and on the lid, and I loved it. And I saw Kylie do it before, but she just did like strictly the inner corner. I seen her do the pink in the inner corner. I just love that look. And I know a lot of people hate the Kardashians, but they absolutely set a lot of standards in makeup, and it's just kind of how it is. I do appreciate you guys. Thank you to my newer subscribers. Thank you if you've watched my McDonald's video. I just want to say, like, thank you guys if you still watch me. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.